Introduction. The Chengdu J-20, officially known as the Mighty Dragon, stands as one of the world's most advanced fifth-generation fighter aircraft. Developed by China's Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, the J-20 is a vital component of the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF) modernization strategy, representing China's leap into high-end stealth aviation. As global tensions shift and major powers race to secure control over air superiority, the J-20 has emerged as a symbol of China's growing technological and military capability. It is designed to perform long-range air superiority, deep strike missions, and anti-access area denial operations, rivaling U.S. fighters such as the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. Since its first flight in 2011 and induction into service in 2017, the J-20 has undergone numerous upgrades in avionics, engines, and stealth materials. Analysts worldwide now consider it one of the few true fifth-generation fighters in active service. With rapid improvements, the Mighty Dragon continues to evolve and reshape the strategic balance in the Asia-Pacific region. 2. Design philosophy and stealth architecture. The J-20's design philosophy centers on combining stealth, range, speed, and sensor power. Unlike many Western fighters focusing on agility, the J-20 emphasizes long-range engagement and first-look, first-shoot capability. Stealth shaping. The J-20 features a long, pointed nose with stealth-optimized edges, a canard delta wing configuration, canted vertical stabilizers, DSI, diverterless supersonic inlet air intakes, radar-absorbent material RAM coatings. These design elements reduce radar cross-section (RCS), making the aircraft harder to detect at long distances. Canard delta layout. One of the most debated features is the use of canards, which some argue may compromise stealth. However, China's engineering approach prioritizes maneuverability without significantly sacrificing low observability. Advanced RAM coatings and precise shaping help mitigate radar reflections from canards. Internal weapons bay. To maintain stealth, the aircraft uses a large central bay for long-range air-to-air missiles, 2 side bays for short-range missiles. Carrying weapons internally ensures minimal radar signature, enhancing survivability in contested airspace. 3. Performance and speed. Although China has not publicly disclosed official performance specifications, defense analysts have estimated the following capabilities. Top speed. Estimated top speed. Around Mach 2.0 or slightly above. Exact classification remains secret. Supercruise potential. Newer variants equipped with WS-10C and future WS-15 engines are expected to achieve supercruise, flying at supersonic speeds without afterburners, similar to the F-22. Range. One of J-20's major advantages is its impressive fuel capacity. Combat radius. 1,200–1,500 kilometers. Ferry range. Up to approximately 4,000 kilometers. This makes it ideal for missions over the Western Pacific, South China Sea, and areas far from Chinese mainland bases. 4. Avionics and sensor suite. The J-20 is equipped with next-generation avionics designed to gather, process, and share data rapidly across the battlefield. AESA radar. A high-performance active electronically scanned array AESA radar provides long-range detection, multi-target tracking, electronic warfare abilities, electro-optical targeting system EOTS. Located beneath the nose, EOTS offers improved infrared tracking, target identification, laser designation, distributed aperture system DAS. Similar to the U.S. F-35, provides 360-degree imaging, detects incoming aircraft and missiles, enhances pilot situational awareness, data fusion and AI assistance. The aircraft integrates vast amounts of data from onboard and offboard sensors, presenting the pilot with a simplified, fused picture of the battlefield. This reduces workload and improves reaction time during complex engagements. 5. Cockpit and pilot interface. The J-20's cockpit reflects modern 21st century fighter technology. It features large multifunction touchscreen displays, a helmet mount display system HMDS, HOTAS hands-on throttle and stick control setup, advanced digital flight control systems. The HMDS allows pilots to see targeting data without looking at instruments, lock onto targets simply by looking at them, view real-time distributed aperture imagery, This brings the J-20 closer to the combined capability of the F-22's power and the F-35's advanced pilot interface. 6. Engines and powerplant development. China's biggest challenge has been developing a high-performance domestic fighter engine. AL-31F early models. Provided by Russia, adequate thrust but limited supercruise capability. WS-10C current production. Chinese-built, improved reliability and thrust, enables limited supercruise in some conditions. WS-15 future engine. The WS-15 is expected to mark a turning point. True supercruise capability, higher thrust-to-weight ratio, improved efficiency, better performance at high altitudes. Once widely integrated, the WS-15 may push the J-20 into a performance class closer to the F-22. 7. Weapons and combat capability. Air-to-air missiles. The J-20 primarily functions as a long-range air superiority fighter. Place 15 main weapon. Beyond Visual Range Missile (BVR). Estimated range 200 to 300 plus km. Active radar guidance. Often considered a direct competitor to the U.S. AIM-120D. Place 10. High Agility Short Range Missile. IR guided. Stored inside bays for rapid launch. Future missiles. Reports suggest development of Place 21 Hypersonic Air-to-Air Missile. Enhanced Long-Range Anti-AWACS Missiles. These would significantly enhance China's ability to threaten high-value targets such as tankers, AWACS, and electronic warfare aircraft. 8. Mission roles and strategic purpose. Air superiority. The J-20's primary role is to dominate airspace, intercept enemy aircraft, and engage threats from long distances. Anti-AWACS and anti-tanker missions. Long-range Place 15 missiles combined with stealth allow the J-20 to target airborne early warning aircraft, refueling tankers, electronic warfare aircraft. This tactic aims to reduce the range and effectiveness of the U.S. and Allied air forces. Deep strike potential. Though primarily a fighter, the J-20 may carry precision-guided munitions internally for limited strike missions. Penetration missions. With strong stealth and long range, it can enter defended airspace to conduct interception, surveillance, long-distance patrol. 9. Operational history and deployment. First flight. January 11, 2011. Induction. Officially entered PLOF service in 2017. Upgrades. China continuously upgrades the fleet, shifting rapidly toward domestic engines and improved avionics. Deployment. J-20s have been seen patrolling East China Sea, Taiwan Strait, South China Sea, Western Pacific regions. They have been involved in close encounters with U.S. fighters, suggesting increasing confidence from PLOF commanders. 10. Comparison with Western fighters. Against the F-22 Raptor. F-22 has superior close-range agility. J-20 excels in range and sensor power. J-20 designed for long-range engagements, not dogfights. Against the F-35 Lightning II. F-35 is multirole with advanced electronics. J-20 is larger, faster, and optimized for air dominance. F-35 wins in networked warfare. J-20 wins in raw range and missile reach. Strategic impact. The J-20's presence forces the U.S. and allies to reconsider AWACS placement. Tanker safety. Forward base vulnerability. This shifts the balance in the Indo-Pacific. 11. Strengths of the J-20. Excellent long-range combat capability. High-performance stealth shaping. Powerful AESA radar and sensor fusion. Internal weapons bay with advanced missiles. Large fuel capacity. Rapid modernization with new engines. These features make it a formidable adversary in modern air warfare. 12. Limitations. Engine performance still evolving. Canard design may slightly reduce stealth from certain angles, not as agile in dogfights as the F-22. True combat performance remains untested in real war scenarios, however. China's continuous upgrades are steadily reducing these limitations. 13. Future development. China plans to further improve the J-20. Widespread WS-15 integration. New electronic warfare systems. Enhanced stealth coatings. Advanced AI-assisted flight controls. Two-seat J-20 variant for drone control or electronic attack missions. With these advancements, the Mighty Dragon will remain central to China's airpower strategy for decades. 14. Conclusion. The Chengdu J-20 Mighty Dragon is more than just a fighter, it is a statement of China's technological rise and strategic ambition. Combining stealth, range, advanced sensors, and modern weaponry, the J-20 positions itself among the elite fifth-generation fighters in the world. Although not as agile as the F-22 and not as network-centric as the F-35, its long-range combat abilities, powerful missiles, and improving engines make it a formidable challenge to any opponent. As China continues to refine the aircraft with better engines, enhanced avionics, and more lethal weapons, the J-20 will remain a cornerstone of the PLOF and a critical factor in regional airpower dynamics across Asia and beyond.